Hello everyone, this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. And oh my gosh, I am here today. I haven't been on a while. We were gone for a couple of weeks. We went to Yellowstone and Mount Rushmore. Was gone for about 2 weeks, so I haven't done any videos or anything, and I'm just trying to play catch up. Along with that, our poor dog Duke, who's our lab, he's only 7 years old, has been really sick, so I've been trying to take care of him. But anyways, I came home to the most beautiful Happy Mail. This is from Rhonda with JOYjunktique. I hope I'm saying that correctly. She made, oh, I was just so excited when I saw this. She made, it's from my farm digital. She's one of my design team members. She made the most beautiful journal with ephemera in this basket, and so I just thought I would go over it. She gave me some notes on kind of what she used, and it's amazing what she did. So I'll just kind of go through it. But again, and I'll link her down below. She does beautiful work. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. First of all, I hope you can see it. It comes in the cutest little basket. The old farmhouse. It's just adorable. And what a great idea. I mean, I always just do junk journals and then I just put them up, you know, on my bookshelf. But how fabulous is this? This is a great idea for Christmas. You know, you could do a whole Christmas journal and put it in a nice basket for someone. Oh my gosh, just so sweet. So, okay, let's get into it. First of all, look at this. I mean, I haven't even opened any of this. I just kind of glanced at it because I wanted to open it kind of with you guys going through it. But, oh my gosh. A wood spool. Oh, look at this. Oh, Rhonda, this is just so beautiful. I mean, I couldn't cut this up to use into another journal. I mean, it is fabulous. So what she did, she took some of the pictures here. She's sewn them on. She's used, I don't know what she printed them on. But it's so good. Look like she distressed this. Pretty lace. The detail. Wow. Rhonda, what did you print this on? I need to know. It's so fabulous. With the buttons. Look at that. Little tag. Nice little pin here. Oh, adorable. Okay, so what do we got here? So we've got, oh my gosh, we got so much stuff. Look at these tags. Okay, let's look at the tags. Oh, look at those. With all the lace. Oh, these are so good. That's one of my favorite pictures. Oh, these are so good. Wow, so many great ideas here. Oh, look at that one. The little cow. The little pigs. Oh, a goat. Oh, I'm just in love with this. So let's see, she's done She kind of gave me kind of what she did with everything, and it's just fabulous. Okay, so let's see. We're just, and this, oh, look at this. It's a little folio. It's got the little tag pocket here. Little bow. There we go. Oh, look at that. Should put this on here. Little stamp. Oh, let's see. This comes off. Here, let me move this out of the way. Oh, cute. Okay, so this comes, oh, beautifully embossed. Look at that. Oh, so sweet. We got another little tag here that's clipped on. Beautiful lace embossed. Oh, and again, this one here. I mean, just so simple, but so cute. Look at that. Oh, she's got some coffee or tea dyed stencil paper here. Oh. Rhonda, you just outdid yourself. Look at this. More tags, more journaling, embossed. Oh, so sweet is this. Look at that. More in the back. Not sure where that kind of came off of. Look at that. Oh, look, see, so you can fold this if you want to. Cute. So cute. I hope you can see the detail. Oops, it goes this way and this way. Oh, adorable. Look at that. Okay, let's go into this. Look at that, you guys. So the front, she says the front and back covers are pieces of, are salvaged from a basket that she rescued from a thrift shop. She painted it white to give it a shabby, chic look. Oh, look at that, you guys. So it's wood. She's put in the little pigs, the little chicken up here, or the roost, yeah, chicken. Look at that. And she's made a pocket back here with an old quilt. She's put in, oh, the postcards. Love it. Love it, love it. So, let's see if I can remember what she did. She said she tried several different ways of how to bind this journal, but she didn't have anything big enough for the thickness with the wood and the covers, she said. So she found, or had, shower curtain clasps. Brilliant. So you know, these are the, this is what hangs on your shower rod, and it goes through the clasps. Oh, cute. And then she's just tied some pretty linen here. Oh, adorable. Okay, let's open this up here. Look at this. She's got a guest check here. Oh, looks like she's used some gesso stencil on here. What a great idea. I've never thought of just doing it just a little simple, just to give it some texture. Oh, cute. Look at this. It's a little pocket. She's got the material. She's sewn material here. She's sewn, looks like paper here, material on the front. She's made a little pocket with all the cute ephemera. And then, oh, and then in here, she's put in, oh, look at this. Look at this. I didn't even, like I said, I just kind of glanced at it. Look at this. What a great letter. Dear B. Great, I'll have to read that later. That's fabulous. So a neat old letter. This is great. Okay, and then look at this. So she's taken the paper, she's printed it on, kind of stenciled the back. She's printed it on coffee or tea stained paper. How pretty is that? It just brings out the colors. Made a little pocket here with a sweet ephemera. Okay, and then we've got paper here. She's done she's added some, oh, what do you call this? Can't remember. Some more paper, a lot of journaling spots. Sorry about that. I had to stop it real quick. They were talking in there. I'm gonna shush them down. All right, look, she's got some more ephemera here. Oh, how cute. Got beautiful papers that she's done here. Oh, and look at this. So she's done some material pockets here. Oh, look, a little notebook. Oh, adorable. Some more tags. That. Oh, pretty pocket. Oh, I just love how she printed onto the coffee tea dyed paper, because it just gives it such a beautiful look. Another pocket here. Okay. Lots of journaling space. I didn't want to tear it in the pages. Here she's made a little belly band with the tag. Put a little stamp. Some more of the ephemera. Oh my gosh, printed again on her dyed paper. Look at this. That's great. So So good. Oh, look at the beautiful vintage quilt piece that she's done here. So pretty. Oh, another little booklet. Fabric pocket. Some more good papers here. So she's just put lots of places to journal, which I love. You can add to it. Look at this here. Okay, so she said in here, she says the round metal clip is from a tin lid that she found. She says, don't judge me. She washed it and saved it for the perfect project. Look at that, you guys. What a fab idea. That becomes the clip. Oh, Rhonda, that's so neat. Love it. See, you can reuse so much stuff. See, I'm going to turn my page. I don't want to miss anything that she kind of talked about. Oh, look at that. I think it just fell out of... Oh, I see. She probably had it back here. Like this. Sorry, got out of view there. Oh, look at this. What pretty fabric. It's kind of stamped. Kind of a linen cotton. Another pocket. More papers. Oh, the paper is so pretty in here. And with the bird. I just love all the different papers. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Oh, so pretty. Look. What she got here? Look at that, an old photo. Wow. Rhonda, this is just gorgeous. I love, love, love the clip. Really, I love everything about it. So many great ideas in here. Look at that. Just beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Go check her out. I'm going to have her link down below. So please, she's on Instagram. I believe she's on Etsy. So I'm going to link her because her journals are fabulous. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got some great ideas. You know, thrift things. I mean, the things that she used in here. Shower curtain rods, tin can lid. You know, thinking out of the box. I love it. All right. Have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe.